I'm actually dressed up. So for a lot of you guys, you see me in sweatpants, so this is probably refreshing for most of you. But like I said, I've been went to UNI for quite some time. This is I've been 2 years in my graduate program, and yeah. So the title of my presentation is the molecular effects of metallochlor on exposure on human cells. So metallochlor is a broad-spectrum herbicide used in general weed control in corn and soybeans. Throughout this whole presentation, I'm going to be interchanging between pesticide and herbicide. Pesticide can be broken down into two different things, a herbicide and an insecticide. Of course, an insecticide is for insects, herbicide is for weeds. Just to clarify that up for you guys. Metallochlor is part of the chlorosylide family, other members including allochlor and propylchlor. And right here, you guys can see this is the structure of metallochlor, right here. And its mode of action, its mode of action is it inhibits protein synthesis in plants. Metallochlor was first registered in 1976 by the US EPA. It goes under many commercial names, including Bicep, Pentagram, Dual, and Dual AE. It can also be mixed with other pesticides, including cyanazine, and another pesticide we work in our lab called atrazine. Metallochlor is a very highly mobile substance in soil and can have a half-life of between 15 and 132 days. This study is very important because it shows that metallochlor can persist over a year through all environmental conditions. So 4 to 6% was still present. So that's pretty important because the half-life is at 132 days. So looking at this diagram right here, what you can see is that in the red indicates heavy metallochlor use. So in this white area, this would indicate not as much metallochlor use. So you can see that metallochlor use is heavily applied in the Midwest, especially in Iowa, due to there being corn and soybeans. So due to this application, widespread application, there's been many studies that have shown widespread contamination, due to the application of metallochlor. And so, just looking at the surface waters of Iowa, they found that metallochlor and atrazine were the most commonly used in this state of Iowa. Another study looking in Iowa, they found 12 rivers in eastern Iowa had 54.1%